Most people spend years trying to learn something, while others master it in months. The difference isn't talent, it's how they learn. And once you see this, it's gonna feel unfair, because the truth is, school teaches you what to learn, but almost no one teaches you how to learn efficiently. And that's exactly why most people stay stuck, putting in hours but seeing very little progress. They think they're learning, but in reality, they're just consuming information without turning it into real skill. Fast learners don't do that. They follow a completely different approach. The first shift is simple. They learn by doing, not just consuming. Watching videos, reading books, or taking notes feels productive, but it's mostly passive. Real learning starts when you actively use the information. Instead of just watching a tutorial, you pause and apply it immediately. Instead of rereading notes, you try to recall the idea from memory. That's where the brain actually strengthens connections. The second shift is focusing on the 80-20 rule. In almost any skill, a small portion of concepts gives you most of the results, but most people waste time trying to learn everything. Fast learners ignore the fluff and double down on the fundamentals. They identify what actually moves the needle and spend most of their time there. The third technique is something powerful called the Feynman method. The idea is simple. If you can't explain something in the simplest way possible, you don't truly understand it. So instead of just memorizing, you pretend to teach it to someone else, even if that someone is imaginary. The moment you struggle to explain it, you found the gap in your understanding, and fixing that gap is what makes you improve fast. Another major difference is speed over perfection. Most people try to get everything right before moving forward, and that slows them down. Fast learners move quickly. They try, fail, adjust, and try again. Mistakes aren't something they avoid, they're feedback. The faster you go through that cycle, the faster you improve. Then comes spaced repetition, which is one of the most underrated techniques. Instead of cramming everything in one sitting, fast learners review information at intervals. This tells the brain that the information matters, so it stores it long term. It's a small change, but it massively increases retention. Environment also plays a huge role. If your surroundings are full of distractions, your learning speed drops instantly. Fast learners design their environment for focus. They remove distractions, keep only what they need, and create small pockets of deep, uninterrupted work. Even 30 minutes of pure focus can outperform hours of distracted effort. And that leads to the final shift, the obsession window. Instead of forcing themselves to study for long, exhausting hours, fast learners work in short, intense bursts, 30 to 60 minutes of complete focus, then a break. This keeps the brain fresh and highly productive. When you step back and look at all of this, one thing becomes clear. Fast learners don't have better brains. They just use better systems. And once you stop learning the way everyone else does, that's when everything changes. Because suddenly, progress feels faster, results come quicker, and learning starts to feel almost unfair.